Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 14. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Chaturdashodhyayah Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogaha Shri Bhagavanuvacha Param Bhuya Pravakshyami Jnananam Jnanamuttamam Yajñātvā munayas sarve param siddhimito gataha. The Lord of Sri said, I shall further explain the supreme wisdom, knowing which all the sages attain the highest perfection. Idam jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha sarge pinopajayante pralaye navyathanti cha. By fastening oneself on this knowledge, one can attain a transcendental nature similar to mine. Souls are not born during the time of creation, neither do they get distressed at the time of dissolution. Mama yo nirmahad brahma tasmin garbhan dadhamyaham sambhava sarva bhutanam tato bhavati bharata. O Bharata, the Brahman, the total material substance, is the source of birth, making possible the birth of all other creatures. सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति याः तासां ब्रह्म महद्योनिः अहं बीजप्रदः पिता. O son of Kunti, understand that all species arise from this material nature of which I am the seed-giving father. Sattvam rajastama iti gunaः prakriti sambhavaः nibadhnanti mahabaho dehe dehinamau vyayam. The three modes of material nature, sattva, rajas, and tamas, condition the living entity when he comes in contact with nature. Tatra sattvanirmalatvat prakashakamaнаmayam sukhasangena badhnati jnanasangena chanagha. Of these, sattva, the mode of goodness, is pure as it is enlightening and without sorrow. Those following this mode get conditioned by happiness and knowledge. Rajo ragatmakau vidhi Krishna sangasamudbhavam tannibadhnati kaunteya karma sangena dehinam. Rajas, the mode of passion, leads to unlimited yearnings and attachment, O son of Kunti, and because of this, one gets attached to material actions. तमस्त्वज्ञानजौ विद्धि मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः तन्निबध्नाति भारत. Tamas is the mode of ignorance that deludes all embodied beings. It leads to misapprehension and results in madness and laziness. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati rajah karmani bharata jnanamavritya tu tamaha pramade sanjayatyuta. O Bharata, the mode of goodness binds one to happiness, the mode of passion to fruitive action, and the mode of ignorance binds one to madness. रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय सत्त्वं भवति भारत रजसत्त्वं तमश्चैव तमसत्त्वं रजस्तथा. O descendant of Bharata, There is always a fight for supremacy among the three modes of nature. Sometimes goodness is prominent, defeating passion and ignorance. Sometimes passion subdues goodness and ignorance, and sometimes ignorance defeats goodness and passion.